Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make or bake a corn casserole. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We need two whole corn and then sweet cream style corn, like not whole. Okay, so mayonnaise, or you can put yogurt or sour cream, and then cheese, green onions, eggs, black pepper, salt, and then sugar. Okay, to gonna put the two eggs here. And then we have also this one. We need to have a like a cornmeal or jiffy cornmeal like that in the box, but I do not have it, so I use uh pancake mix. Even if maybe it's okay because we have so much corn on this three cans of corn. Okay, so next I'm going to add this cream corn, not the whole one. Okay, okay, I need to have us. Okay, and then mm, and then I'm gonna get the whole corn, whole sweet corn. I put two because I have two in the pantry. Okay. I have two cans, the whole corn in the pantry, so I'm gonna use it. And the next, and then a little black pepper. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a half of cup of this one, the corn mix or the pancake mix. And then I'm gonna put mayonnaise. I'm gonna put mayonnaise. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Gonna add more. Even if not done yet. And now we're gonna put it here in this pan and bake it for 200 degrees Celsius in 40 minutes. Okay. And then after we gonna take it out from the oven, we gonna put cheese on top and green onions and put in the oven for how many, maybe 5 to 10 minutes so that the cheese will be melt. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, I'm gonna bake this one now. Ready, preheated. Okay, it's super hot now. Okay, okay guys. Okay, the corn is already cooked, so I'm going to put the cheese first on top. The onion first. I put the onions, green onions. And then put the cheese. I'm gonna broil this one for maybe 5 to 10 minutes at to let the cheese melt. So spread and cheese. Okay. So now we're gonna let it go back there and then put on broil. Okay. Cheese is done. It's already melting. I'm gonna off the oven first because it's super hot. Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. It's super. It's good. Oh, I'm sure that it's good, but I forgot to put uh butter. I just get just a little. Okay, I'm gonna get a little only, guys, because I don't want to taste so much. Wow. Mm. Okay, guys. Oh, look at that one. Oh, oh my God. Oh, it's yummy. Look at that one, guys. I'm gonna taste na. Okay, so this is our uh, corn casserole. Hmm. Mm. It's good. Hmm. Mm. Mm. It's yummy. Mm. Mm. It's yummy, guys. Mm. 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 The smell of the green onion is very good. Mm. It's yummy. Mm. Mm. It's yummy, guys. It's very cheesy. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Di Bruja. To my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Oh, it's very yummy.